Borinquen Trail provides technical assistance to our network of nonprofits and stakeholders interested in promoting rail trails. We seek to leverage the former railroad right-of-way to enable regional economic alliances as well as safe alternative for pedestrians and cyclists in Puerto Rico. Borinquen Trail will include more than 420 miles of routes along former railroad right-of-way, with some segments accessible in their current concrete, grass, and gravel conditions. The trail also traverses through historic civil engineering structures such as bridges, underpasses, tunnels, and culverts. Finally, the trail will link up more than 50 historic and cultural assets, including those maintained by community nonprofits. The trail will make use of existing embankments, providing a comfortable alternative to busy, sometimes narrow, roads through gorgeous natural scenery. Urban segments will include separation of modes by speeds and other amenities such as resilient community centers as well as environmental remediation features. We are in the process of implementing wayfinding and digital infrastructure for our project, including maps, historic site pages, and more. We are just getting started. Trails can advance equitable access to mobility in disadvantaged communities and as a mitigation for COVID-19. There is an untapped opportunity for rail trails to support passenger trip connections to mass transit, as well as transit-oriented development, a vision we convey through this mock-up of Bayamón Station. Join us on this virtual mobile workshop over the Borinquen Trail route, starting here at the Bayamón Station. We hope you can one day visit us in person.